power of silence.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you think about power of silence in your word, as per your opinion?
I've like power of silence means staying calm and quiet in difficult situation. Like silence help us control our emotion and it give us time to think clearly. Some so hi,
Hello.
hello,
How
Hare
are
Krishna.
you?
I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm also doing great. And one thing I have noticed every time, whenever you start any session, you always say Hari Krishna. I have seen
Yeah,
your all videos.
yeah, like Hare Krishna ya Radhe Radhe. So nowadays I just chant
That your
Krishna.
name is also Radha.
Yeah, so that's why. So
Yeah.
okay, so how are
So
you?
how
How's the
are
day?
you? I'm doing great. Exceptionally well. Everything is under control. There's no complaint. So what about you?
I'm also doing great. I had a productive day. So yes, and we are meeting after I think 2 week, maybe a 3 week.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
So how is it going on?
everything is going great. Like my practice is also going great, and my exam is going to start in 4th May. So my preparation is also going great. So yeah, I can say that everything is going on flow.
Okay, so how do you manage time? It's very difficult uphill battle for you nowadays, as you said, exam is approaching, and you are a YouTuber also.
Yes,
So how do you manage your time?
managing time is a little bit difficult because like I'm not able to take a session with YouTubers. I skipped that part because even now I connect with some YouTubers. I can say that I had a productive day. I took, I think this is my third or fourth session with you. So like for upcoming days, I'm not going to take any session. This is enough for today. So yeah. So sometimes it's very difficult to manage with YouTube because I'm not able to manage
Okay.
my time and studies.
It shows like the way you are saying you have taken today. You have taken 4 session.
Yeah,
Oh my
today.
God, means you are wise enough. You are collecting content,
Yes.
and after that you will post. Yeah, you are right. Means so wise you are.
Okay. So we should skip the part of introduction, I think. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
If you want, because you are going to upload this video in your channel. So if you want, so it,
So you can give me because in our last video I have given.
yeah,
I think you have posted. So in this video I just want your
definitely.
introduction.
Yeah, definitely. So my name is Radha. I come from Uttar Pradesh and have a bachelor degree in commerce. Right now I'm going. Right now I'm doing masters in economics. And if I talk about my YouTube journey, I start my journey in July 2025, and it's almost about 7 months. Yeah, more than 7 months. So I'm learning and improving day by day. And if I talk about my hobbies, I love to listen to music and even I love to cook food. So yeah, this is all about me.
Very nice. Good to hear about you. And I have seen your all videos also on YouTube. It was very commendable. You are working remarkable.
Thank you so much.
So without wasting time, let's dive into our session like topic.
Yeah.
So as you have chosen
Hmm.
the power of silence.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you think about power of silence in your word, as per your opinion?
I've like power of silence means staying calm and quiet in difficult situation. Like silence help us control our emotion and it give us time to think clearly. Sometimes silence is more powerful than word because it avoid unnecessary conflict and keep peace in life. Because sometimes we are getting angry, we use some wrong words and we hurt someone unintentionally. So we always most of the people say if you are speaking someone, choose your word wisely while you are doing
Yes.
fighting. So choose your words because in fighting you hurt someone intentionally or unintentionally. So more
Yes.
than mostly people say words are. I think words are mightier than sword. I think I forget that idiom, but
Yes.
so choose your word wisely. I would say that.
Yes, I couldn't agree with you more because it's very in Hindi proverb kaman se nikla tir or muँह se nikli वाणी we
Mm,
can't get back. So we
definitely.
can't take it means get back. So we should be wise enough. And I also rely on you that silence speak louder than word. in many aspects, and it gives us lots of benefit also, because pros and cons runs hand to hand everywhere. Like if you are silent, it shows your strength, because everywhere no need to speak, no need to give your word. It shows your emotional control of
Definitely.
this language. Like if you are silent, it shows your strength. It help on us in clear thinking. If you are
Definitely.
silent, so you can give time to yourself to think about that thing, because silence mind become more calm, composed, and you can take better decision, and you are focused toward your whatever you are doing. And I have seen like the next point is it avoid unnecessary conflict.
Definitely.
Like if you are in front of your people, they are not trying to obey you, they are not considered like they are wrong. So sometimes that kind of conflict you can avoid, which is unnecessary, and it can create a big impact on your life. Sometimes you feel you are the victim of overthinking, anxiety, stress is there, it can consume your energy. So yeah, and it, as you said, like it build our inner peace. If you are calm and composed, so definitely it can build your inner peace. And yeah, so lots of things are there. Like it shows your maturity also,
Definitely.
because impatient, yeah, impatient person, or at the drop of hat they want to give answer. They
Yes.
don't think about it. But if you are wisdom, witty, intellectual, so you will firstly think about that thing, like what is wrong. You will see the holistic approach about it. Like, is it worth it? Makes sense to give answer on that time. So
Yes.
I think, and sometime your word, if you are silent, it gives real truth also. That which kind of personality you are, and
Definitely.
it builds your personality also.
Definitely.
Because if you are silent, so other people want to listen you more and more, that what exactly you want to say. And I have seen it, it gives you respect also. Like, okay, you are silent, other people wants to listen, and they will give you respect, and they will
Yes.
give you honor to speak in
Definitely.
compared to who would speak more.
Yes.
So lots of benefit also. It gives you control to show your emotion. And yeah, it saves our energy when you are, yeah, like means irrelevant thing. If you are saying, if you are speaking, so means you are creating, you are unnecessary, you are using your energy.
Yes. And like
Yes,
you at this point, it bring peace to the mind. So it is
yes,
very important because silence is important nowadays because it helps us relax and reduce stress sometimes. Because in
yes,
silence, we can understand ourselves better. It also improve focus and decision making sometimes. Because
yes,
whenever we silent, we don't jump on the guns. We stay silent
yes,
and we decide what is right and what is wrong. So it is
yes, yes.
important.
And it protects us from regret also, because
Yes.
as I mentioned that, like if you spoke, it means unintentionally, if you speak one that word, you are not, that word is not showing your personality. But
Hmm.
as we know that when we speak, when we are stressed, so that time we don't know that which word come out from our mouth. But
Definitely.
it shows other person can judge us,
Hmm.
but we are not real, we are not that kind. But after that we feel regret, that why I should say this, why I did this, like. So it shows our maturity, regret, lots of things are there. So what do you think? Only positive aspects is there, silence,
No,
or
no,
negative?
negative also. Like, sometime if you are correct, that time you become silent. So this is a wrong. You like if someone is saying against you again and again, again and again, again and again, but still you are silent. So this means you are not taking stand for yourself. Say thing
Yes,
politely. I'm not saying you do fight, you start fighting, but say thing politely. And
yes, yes.
sometimes silence is not good. You have to speak for your right. You have to speak. So
Mm,
it's depend how you take that situation, how to speak that situation.
yes,
That time you have to choose words wisely. I'm not saying you start fighting, you start abusing, nothing. You can tackle the situation with your mind. So speaking is also
yes, yes,
important. I'm not saying silence is always important. Be silent in your life. Like get things according to your mind, according to you, how to tackle your situation. So this is my
yes.
yeah.
Yes, yes. And as per my concern, yes, sometimes silence shows your weakness also, because you are not speaking, other person is suppressing you. That
Yes.
means you are not, means other in front of other people's, like they will think you are not wise, you are not intellectual, you don't know about the answer or how to handle this situation. That's why you are quiet. So
Hmm.
that, like, we have to speak at the time.
Hmm.
No matter, like, every time silence is not good, that time you have to speak. And the next thing is, if other person is continuously suppressing you, they try to and you are also just behaving, like I have seen lots of daughter-in-laws, they try to keep silent. So their in-laws and other people also, they try to suppress. So in this time, it's very mandatory to speak out for their right. Sometimes burning yourself to keep others warm, it's very dangerous for you, and you have to pay for it. I'm not saying like you have to. I have seen lots of people, they are taciturn, they give answer in a laconic word, but this is the nature. But if you are, bearing that thing, like that kind of, what we call, like, I'm not getting word, means that उस तरह की तुम परेशानियों को झेल रहे हो, like, so means it's not good. You are bearing that problems, and you are not coming out from your comfort zone to speak out about your laws, your rights. So it's also like not good. For that time, silence is not good.
Yes.
Yeah, and sometimes I have seen other person, as like I gave point, unnecessary, it avoid unnecessary conflict. But if in place of silence, if you are speaking, so it can clear your doubt as well, and others doubt.
Yes.
Like other people also think, okay, means she is not wrong, I am wrong. Sometimes misunderstanding also happening. So that time, if you are speaking, so it can also revolve, means it can improve your relationship as well.
Definitely. So yeah, and according to you, when should we choose silence? According to you?
According to me, firstly we should taste the water. Means firstly we should know the audience and read between the line. Firstly, we should know that where we should speak and where we shouldn't speak. If it is very mandatory and you are seeing that it's necessary to speak there, so you should definitely speak there, because it's maybe other person can take a leave from your side, as like sometime whatever we are doing, other person also want to know from our side. So we should inspire them. We should give our opinion to them. So it's very necessary. And sometime, like, firstly, just try to read between the room, like which kind of environment is there, and you should speak or not. So be mindful before speaking. So there is a scrum spat, one word is there, so you should be think before speak. As per my opinion.
Definitely. Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think you are bachelor.
Yeah, you face these kind of situation, like someone is talking rudely to you and you react immediately. So you face this kind of problem in your life?
Yeah, actually, after getting married, it happened a lot of time with my husband and me. Like I want to try to means improve my what we call. I want to show myself that I'm not wrong. Whatever I have done, it's like my right. I means whenever it comes to kids, So my husband always say to me that you have to do this. Why? Means my daughter is too young. So sometimes they means throw something. Sometimes they toppled and got injured. So that time my husband just blame me. Not blame means it's kind of concern towards her, his children. So he just thought that I try to rectify myself, that it was not my mistake. It was by mistake.
Yes.
So this kind of thing happened, means it's small things. But when it comes to speak in front of, like when my older people, they are speaking, so I try to keep quiet, because they are more experienced. If I find that I should speak, I should keep my opinion. So definitely I try to keep openly. No matter, because if it is wrong, so they will give us that answer that no, it's not. And sometimes you are keeping your view of point, it's also necessary. Then you also know that, okay, whatever you are thinking, maybe it could be wrong also. And the same question I want to ask to you, it's happening with you?
Yeah, not yet, but in school time, I faced the situation like with one of my friends. Like I don't know what topic is that, but yes, and that time I just cry a lot, because whenever I faced someone and like if they are getting angry with me, so like I'm not able to say a single word genuinely. Like I just cry a lot, and after coming home, I just burst out my anger towards my sister, towards my mama. So like I always stay silent in every situation, and still now, like I, but now I opt. Like whenever I angry or upset, speaking in angry can hurt others. So I always remember, choose your words wisely. Choose your words wisely. So I never say wrong words to anyone, but sometimes in angry we use and we hurt someone unintentionally. So I don't know, I hurt someone and unintentionally, I don't know, God sorry if I hurt someone. But in my point of view, I never, genuinely. And but in school time, I say like some words to my friends that like when I am in 10th standards, yeah, 11th standard, that time. But in college life, everything is going smoothly. I never face any fight to anyone, touch wood. And like we enjoy every situation and we take like normally. If someone is
Yes.
roasting me, so I take
Because
it
it
normally. Okay,
depends.
you roast me.
Yes, yeah. And it shows, as I mentioned, that it shows our maturity also. That
Yes,
if you are silent, you, as you said, school time. I think school time it happened with everyone, because that time we are not that much mature. We don't know like in which situation we should speak,
hmm.
and we just like we always is ready to give answer. But
Definitely.
now you are at this maturity level where you know that where you should speak, where you should be calm, composed, and check first. So it happened sometime. Like we can't say that even we can speak in our house, in house family member with all of a sudden. But when it comes to outer people, when we are going somewhere, we can't speak in front of them that you
Yes,
are right when it comes to anything. So it happens where we are familiar with those people, those means other people. So quite different. We shows our nature quite different.
definitely. And honestly, I can't handle fight with outside. Like I am a crybaby, but in home, I can fight with my siblings a lot, a lot.
It
So
happens like it is said ना घर के शेर बाहर की बिल्ली.
हाँ हाँ यही
So
होता
it
है.
yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, at home we are like leopard, tiger, but outside we are biggie billy.
Yes,
So it
definitely.
happens.
So that
Yeah. So it yeah, sometime and not sometime, like according to firstly we should taste the water like according to audience where we are. So because we know that in our family member it's they can speak like no matter like we are fighting, we are teasing them, we are speaking. So after some time they can resolve the problem and we can speak. But outer side we have that kind of fear that
yes.
maybe if I would speak word wrongly, so they would not means judge me.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So like बोलते हैं ना first impression is the last impression.
Last
So
impression, yes.
hmm.
So we have
So
to show up ourselves.
so
So
yeah.
Radha, I want to ask one question. As I noticed, like you said, Jai Sri Krishna, and your name is Radha. So are you spiritual kind of girl?
Definitely. Like nowadays, not nowadays, from past few months, like one of my junior, she is like she is very devotional towards Radharani and towards Krishna, like very devotional towards God. So she told me, Kidi, you always say Radha Radha and Hare Krishna. Don't say hi and hello. Namaste. So I'm like, okay, no problem. So from that onwards, start saying Radha Radha Hare Krishna. So she told me, start chanting God names and you become calm, peace, and you remove all the tension. You get rid of all the tensions. So she is like a pure-hearted girl and genuinely
Yeah,
she gives me right, I can say right, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, advice. So, and
advice.
from that onwards, I start chanting, and I watched Premanand Maharajji videos also. So,
Yes. Jap.
chanting is powerful. I can say that chanting is very powerful. Whenever I feel negative, whenever I feel like lot of thought I come across a lot of thought. So I say like I always chant God names, Hare Krishna and Radha Radha, and I went with Barsane also. So बोलते हैं बुलावा आ गया बरसाने का. So I went Barsane. I think
Mm.
yesterday. So I enjoy the process. I visit Radharani Mandir, Laldi Ji Mandir. Then I went to not Baki Bihari, Nandgaon. कन्हैया जी के वहाँ पे गए थे हम लोग नंदगांव. And then I visited Kirti Mandir. So there's a lot of mandir I visited. So everyone is saying Hare Krishna Radhe Radhe. Whatever you are doing, first I drink the lassi. So हमने बोला thank you भैया. Don't say thank you Radhe Radhe.
Okay.
So
Yes.
everyone
Yes.
is chanting
I have
God
also
name.
heard the power of Nam Jap.
Yes.
Premanand Maharaj always say this word that you should Nam Jap, Radharani, Radharani. And your name is Radha. So everyone, whenever someone connect with
Yes.
you, so it's a compulsion and you are providing them. It's your fortune also that you are saying that Radharani. So
Yes.
yeah, it's quite unique name also means because nowadays everyone is going to adapt culture, Western culture. Their name is quite different.
Hmm.
They are keeping their names quite, and your name is Radha, so it gives a positive vibes.
Yes.
You
Yes.
spread positive. So
Definitely.
yes, Radha, I'm done with my question. If you have any question, you are free.
No, I also done all the questions. Today's session is so good. I enjoy the session with you, definitely. And
Yeah,
I observe one thing. You, like in today's session, your vocabulary and your idioms. Oh my God, I catch every vocabulary and every idiom, every vocabulary and every idiom. So you use effortlessly. How?
actually, it depends on practice.
Yeah.
Though I'm not practicing too much nowadays, quite busy because my son sends summer vacation and I have to go my native place also. But like I used to do lots of practice, even now also. But whatever situation is going on, I just read 2 pages. It's my resolution of 2026. I read 2 pages, and whatever new for me, in like I listening podcast, so I get any new word, I try to jot down and try to make some sentences relative that word. And all of a sudden, I have seen if you practice, if you focus on something, so you can adapt it easily. So yeah, everything is possible. Yeah, and even I have seen you are also speaking very nice and very fluent way.
Thank you so
So
much. Thank you so
feeling is
much.
good. I have learned lots of word and thoughts. I always give preference to thoughts. Which kind
Yes.
of thoughts you have? So
Yes.
I learned from you. I got exposure also. So thank you so much for
Thank you.
sharing your screen with me.
Okay,
So
most welcome,
okay,
most welcome. So have a good day, and I'll share with you this video. I think email through email. Okay, so
okay,
you share your
okay,
email in my WhatsApp. Okay, so bye
okay.
bye,
Bye,
Hare Krishna.
bye, bye. Hare Krishna.